Stretching over mountains, deserts, and valleys, the Great Wall of China is one of the most iconic structures in human history. But just how long is it? And why was it built? The Great Wall spans an incredible 13,171 miles or 21,196 kilometers from east to west. That's roughly half the circumference of the Earth. Contrary to popular belief, it's not a single continuous wall but a series of walls built by different dynasties over centuries. The most well-preserved sections is about 8,850 kilometers or 5,499 miles long, constructed during the Ming dynasty between the 14th and 17th centuries. The wall was primarily built to protect China from invasions, especially from northern nomadic tribes like the Mongols. It was fortified with watchtowers, barracks, and signal stations, making it not just a barrier but a comprehensive defense system. Built using stone, brick, tamped earth, and other materials, the Great Wall's length and construction varied depending on the region. Its height ranges from 15 to 30 feet, with some towers standing even taller. Today, the Great Wall is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and attracts millions of visitors each year. While large portions of the wall have eroded or collapsed, sections like the one near Beijing have been beautifully restored. So, how many miles is the Great Wall of China? Over 13,000 miles of history, culture, and incredible human achievement. A testament to the ingenuity and determination of ancient China.